Just want to show you how to do a shape tween real quick. The difference between a motion tween and a shape tween is that with the shape tween, you don't need to create symbols. And on top of that, yeah, well, that's the main thing. You don't need to create symbols. It works the same way. Uh, it gets from point A to point B in the fastest route. So let's go ahead and create a point B. We have a point A. I'm going to go to the 1 second mark and create a keyframe. But instead of having this square here, I'm going to create a star. So let me go to the poly star tool, change it from polygon to star. And I'm just going to create my star right here. And I actually want this star to be rotated some. So we're going from this to this. So now I'll do the same thing I would do for a motion tween, but instead of selecting motion tween or classic tween, I'll select shape tween. So now what you're seeing is the transformation from a square to a star. So now I don't like the way this looks in the middle. So what I can do is, instead of leaving it like that, I could actually create a new frame, and I just made it blank. I'm going to turn on my onion skin so I can see where the square started. And now, instead of having that weird looking shape, I'm just going to add a polygon in here. And instead of, so I'll have a shape that looks a little bit, well, so I can have a smoother transition. So the transition from the square to the polygon first, then from the polygon to the star. Let me turn off my onion skin. So now this is what we get, which is a little bit better. I could make this a little bigger and go like that. Yep. Now, it doesn't just have to be shapes with points, and it doesn't always have to be in the same spot. So if I wanted to not only move my shape, I could also change it to something like a oval or a circle, and I can make it grow. So let's do this. And then I'm going to take those same steps right here, just right click, shape tween, and now he's going to get bloated and turn into a circle. Now if I just press Command Enter, this is what I get. Now notice you barely see the square at all, and you don't even really get to see the circle either. So to add more frames to this circle, I'll just select this. So now at the very end, it stays a circle for a while, for a second, so that I can see, or so that we can see. And I'll just need to do the same thing here. But when I do that, I'm just going to drag all of these frames over, and I'll just duplicate this frame, or I could copy this frame, or just copy this shape and then paste it in place right here. So now this is what I get. So let's press Command Enter. So you get to see the square for a second, and you get to see the circle for a second. And this can come in handy if you have some quick animation needs that you don't really want to create a symbol for each shape and all that type of stuff. So you know, take it, use it, and yeah, get to it, you guys. Have some fun. Talk to you later.